Joseph, your favorite massage therapist.
Coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we are done for the week, Thanksgiving week here. So we're getting ready to go eat some turkey. So we're going to give you the turkey ring dinger of the day, which is me. So I'm going to lay here on my back. There we go. Okay. And Renee, see, this is how you do it. You don't whine.
I'll be quiet. You guys are matching today.
All of us. Uh-oh. They're going to get on you for the street.
We're all in some sort of blue, huh?
See, something's wrong with that pen. Here, let's take this one out first.
Yeah. Pull the pen out. See all the jelly in it.
Oh, yep. So we gotta get somebody to work on that pen for us. Oh, thank you. Alright. So, I have been showing Joseph how to do some things on me because I can't get out of here in time to ever go see anybody else. And Joseph's got good manual therapy skills, so he's working on me too. And he only works on me like this.
Only work on you. That was the right SI. Sacrum right down the middle. The left SI. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Right here at his lumbosacral pocket down at the L5, S1. Move up just a little bit.
As you can tell, my muscles are really tight.
He's real ropey. From doing this all day. It takes everything I have to do.
It's a lot harder than it looks, isn't it, Joseph?
That's why I knew when you say it's hot back here. Renee and I are freezing. Still don't like this dark early stuff.
I'm going to shoot myself with the Atlas adjusting instrument here. Come a little bit forward. Not right today though. Right down the middle of the pelvis. Yep. Straight back. Don't forget I need to take one of these home again. Okay. How's that look?
Pretty good.
Yep, my head's up and coming back now. See that reorients the cerebellum and changes the proprioceptive neurological bombardment. Oh, Joseph missed too.
Where you going?
That was a bad miss.
Well, Dr. J,
Yeah.
you gonna finish the video?
Yeah, we're gonna do Joseph now.
Oh, okay.
He's gotta
I was with you too.
He's gonna be the second turkey Thanksgiving adjustment during the year of the day.
Oh gosh.
There we go. Okay, Renee, don't shake the camera.
Okay, I'm trying not to.
Yeah, it feels loose, doesn't it?
It's in there.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, it's a little bit crooked. Yeah, you're still kicking here. Okay. There we go. Good. So we're all gonna be lined up for Thanksgiving.
Yep.
Thank God. That's another thing to be thankful for.
Turkey, drinks, and food.
There we go. Yeah.
Or
Football.
football. That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Renee don't know her way around the office. But yeah.
She doesn't come back here often.
I know.
She's up there playing Facebook all
Oh
day.
gosh.
And watching Cheers.
Oh my thing.
I was watching the old Thanksgiving Cheers episode, which is hilarious.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. With the food fight.
Well, you're moving easy up here. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Good. Now let's put your arms out. There. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah. Well, that was a good one.
That was great.
Yep. Good deal. Okay, let's hit you up. Face this way.
Let's turn the wrong way.
There we go. There. Your wrist's doing a lot better.
Yes. Definitely not as sore.
There it is, right there. Okay, let's stand you up here in front of the camera and shoot you too. Yep, Joseph has pretty much the perfect posture now. We're just going to seal that deal in his cerebellum. There we go. Yep, very good. So Mateo and Kiera, this is your Houston chiropractor, and Renee and Joseph coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and y'all in Milan, Italy, hi, in France and Australia, New Zealand, Canada, everywhere else around the world. We say hello and happy Thanksgiving. We'll see y'all soon.